Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Dogecoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And Dogecoin here, of course, we have a bearish setup for Dogecoin and of course a bullish one. However, we said lately that the bearish setup is much more likely here in case we are looking at a finished expanding diagonal, because we cannot count any kind of double 1-2s here, or 1-2-3-4. Your wave 4 has interfered with your wave 1. No impulse and no double 1-2, and of course no contracting a diagonal, meaning expanding a diagonal, or of course three corrective waves, three waves toward the upside, three waves toward the downside, and of course 5 waves up, finishing as this three waves toward the upside after of course ABC toward the downside, ABC toward the upside. So yeah, we are moving probably toward the downside for a bigger correction for a wave 4. Now, I don't know if Doge is related a little bit or fundamentally to Tesla. Today I made, of course, an analysis for Tesla, of course, on the channel, the other channel for stock market. You can, of course, find it in the description below. And if you are interested, of course, in Forex and stock market, this channel is for you. So Tesla as well is facing a lot of red, and psychologically somehow Dogecoin is related a little bit, because we know Elon Musk is behind it. And of course we are looking on the weekly here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave 1, and after it a wave 2, and then 3, and then we are currently and probably in a wave 4. Still in a wave 4, and regarding your wave 2 time here, it is very likely that this wave 4 will range much more longer in time, and until we reach the right time for it, which is of course already given in blue. However, it can be a very fast move towards the downside for Dogecoin here, a wave C, which it is impulsive. Of course, it looks like in double 1-2, by the way, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, probably for a wave C. In this case, we want, of course, after it to move one more wave for Dogecoin for a wave 5. It should be here exactly. And we're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. Basically, if we have finished, I mean, if we drop even lower than 0.5 and we went to the invalidation point, which is of course the interfering point with the wave 1 here, it might be of course something else has finished here. And it could be, guys, that this is a 3 waves up and 3 waves down, and then continuation later on for a wave C, meaning bear market. If we drop to this area and we break this invalidation point, therefore be careful from dropping even lower a little bit and then start to move toward the upside again. So everything is possible. I mean, of course, even possible for a wave B in blue scenario as well can be here. So nothing is impossible. However, we're gonna take a look closer what's going on the daily first. So as we said, this wave cannot be impulsive. It is of course corrective or finished wave 5, but truncated. Truncated meaning without taking the high. In this case scenario, of course, you are expecting a finished ABC here and not a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, of course, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Our focus now is this area. In this area, if we take a look here, we see, of course, an impulse towards the downside, and probably this is a double 1-2 here formation, and maybe we gonna continue this momentum as well towards the downside. So if you take a 4-hour chart here, you can see that in this impulse where we have as well double 1-2 and 3, 4, and a 5, very obvious that this is still a range of a wave 4. Because probably here we have this wave 2 here, because this is your first impulse right now, 1, 2, and let me check, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, it is an impulse. And this is your wave 2 time, meaning the requirement for this wave 4 is perfect regarding this range, right? So if we take the time here for a wave 4/2, here we go. Even we just got the double time right now. Here we go. And I believe that this can be, of course, something like a triangle, A, B, C, D, and a E, probably one more wave toward the upside to finish this triangle, and then dropping down, of course, for a wave 5 to finish this another impulse here. And it can be, guys, of course, this is your double 1-2 as well, so be careful from it. Look at the confluence as well in case it is a zigzag. Yeah, it is in case this is a zigzag corrective wave. Yeah, the confluence is here between the 1-to-1 fib level for this zigzag to be finished, which it has been already hit. But the problem is that we didn't finish this wave. Unfortunately, it was not invalidated as well. Let's say, of course, that if the price went higher and touched this invalidation point, then I would say, okay, we are not looking for lower anymore. But this invalidation of bearish was not given yet. Yeah. So okay, why I have caps lock on? It doesn't matter. Invalidation of bearish, yeah, it was not given at the price of this price here, 0.31 cents. Once this is given, then I would say there is no more bearish. Yeah, but in this case scenario, it looks impulsive, wave 3, and looking for a lower. Yeah, this is the insight for Dogecoin at the 1-hour chart as well. If we take this, is it impulsive already from here? I mean, is this a 1-2, another 1-2? Well, a lot of overlapping, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It is an impulse here. Yeah, a lot of overlapping. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Even can it be a contracting diagonal? Even possibly. Well, we're gonna leave it here probably. Yeah, it can be even. So it can be 1, 2, and then 1 second. 1, 2, and then 3. No, your wave 3 is longer, 4 and a 5. Okay, your wave 3 is longer than wave 1, then no. Okay, and a lot of overlapping, it becomes very, very choppy. So basically, yeah, this is the most likely scenario: A, B, C, D, and E. So one more wave towards the upside here to finish this triangle, of course. And yeah, let's take it from here somehow like this. Yeah, so A, B, C, D, and E. Let's mark it, by the way. It would be much more efficient. Here we go. A, B, and which is the low? Which one is the low here? B, C, D, and E. Here we go. Yeah, so these are the insights. One more move toward the upside, one more leg, and then yeah, continuation for lower prices, guys. I would say let's adjust the passes since we have here some. Here we go. This move toward the downside, yeah, for a wave 5 and to be reanalyzed. Now, just a target, better target than this one. I mean, this one has been already touched. So if we take here the wave 1 from here, I mean, this is double 1-2, by the way, 1-2, 1-2. So we need to take it from this first, this one. And of course, on the top of your wave 3, wave 5 over 1, here we go. Yeah, it might be, it might be not very, very sure that this is gonna be this time like 100%. I would say when this happens, because we have a very, very extended wave 3, by the way, when this happens, I take this. Yeah, I take the same price of the wave 1 and put it wherever the wave 4 finishes here, and then of course giving me somehow the probability where this might move down, which is gonna take the low a little bit, yeah, with it. That would be perfect. So blue box, I would say in this area, which is here, yeah, 19 cents. Yeah, 19 cents would be a nice target. Let's also put the label here. Here we go. 19 cents is a target. Do not forget it for the next time. That was it for Dogecoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.